Yeah, rust is a problem. Well, I don't know if I should actually be touching it.
On the shock?
Yeah.
Yeah, why touch the little?
It's just... No, I'm just curious how thin it is here really now. That is horrible.
Lifetime warranty on them.
Did they say lifetime warranty? So they refused to warrant?
You have to buy them and send them out, and they have to inspect them, and you're like, at that point.
Oh. Well, maybe.
Maybe just wait until they go on sale and just buy a new set and not deal with them.
Yeah, this is just unbelievable.
Yeah, I don't know.
And
A
we're...
little bit disappointed, but at the same time, they kind of lasted a while.
Well, these... I mean, I think you installed them a long time ago, actually.
Yeah, then probably 70,000 miles.
Yeah, but it's like 5 or so years more.
More when they still lived. I mean, you put them on an Oak Ridge.
7.
It's been
8.
3 years of this house. Yeah, probably 7 years.
It's just funny how it rusted in a certain
I
place.
think they just blow with a seal failed, and that's what.
No, that's corrosion. That's so bizarre.
It's not like the car is like driven in super salty areas.
No, this is not much salt at all here. Or not even the winter for real.